You want to feel more confident when you communicate in English, but you don't have anybody to practice with, so you can't improve as quickly as you'd like. But don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to show you some speaking practice techniques that you can use to boost your fluency and confidence, even if you're on your own. Let's get cracking. Hey up, mate. Cheers for finding this video. My name is Dan. I'm a CELTA qualified British English teacher, and my goal is to help you feel more confident when you're communicating in English. One of the biggest problems that I hear from students that I work with is that their English is pretty good, but when it's time to speak, they feel overwhelmed or they feel nervous and they kind of freeze up. And the way that we fix this is not with more vocabulary and more grammar. We fix it by practicing speaking a lot. Imagine that you want to learn to swim, right? You could spend a lot of time reading books about swimming, but the only way you ever get any better is to get in the water and actually swim. And you do it a lot, and the more you do it, the better you get and the more confident you feel. And English speaking is exactly the same. But when I tell people this, the first thing they usually say is, "But Dan, I don't have anybody to practice with. How can I practice speaking?" Well, just because you don't have a partner doesn't mean you can't practice. I'm going to show you exactly how to practice your speaking skills, even if you're on your own. And all you've got to do is go through the exercises. We're looking for consistency, not perfection. And before we get started, I want to remind you that you can get my Brit Speak Starter Kit for free using the link in the description, so check it out. Now, the first exercise I want to introduce to you today is called shadowing. And for me, this is one of the most useful speaking practice exercises you can do. And anybody can do it anytime, anywhere, even if you're on your own. Now, if you're not sure what the shadowing technique is, basically it's listen and repeat. Really simple. So you get some kind of audio of a native speaker, you listen to it and you try and copy it. And it's really, really good for practicing things like pronunciation, intonation, stress, rhythm, connected speech, all of that good stuff. And it's a great way to build the muscle memory that you're going to need to speak more fluently. So if you want to give this one a go, this is what you do. Step one, you need to find a suitable clip. What we're looking for is a short clip, maybe 30 seconds to 1 minute long, that's got some kind of native speaker in it. Ideally, if you can find one with subtitles in English so you can copy exactly what they're saying, and you're going to watch it. After you've watched it all the way through, go back to the beginning, listen to the first sentence, and then pause the video. Then you're going to copy exactly what you just heard 3 times. You're going to pay really close attention to the rhythm of the words, the pronunciation of the words, the word stress, the intonation, and all that good stuff. Copy it as closely as you can. Then do that for the next sentence and keep going till you've got to the end of the video. And it's as simple as that. It's a really simple technique that you can use anytime, anywhere, and it will really help boost your communication skills. The next technique I want to show you is called timed speaking. This is where you set a timer for maybe 1 to 2 minutes. You choose a topic to talk about and you talk about it non-stop until the timer finishes without preparing anything in advance. Now, for me, this is one of the very best exercises that you can do if you're not very confident when it comes to expressing yourself in English. It'll help you practice explaining your ideas, your preferences, your opinions, all while building your confidence and your fluency skills while you're at it. And once again, it's really easy to do. First of all, you've got to choose a topic. If you're not sure, in the description, there's a link to a website that will generate a random topic for you. Click the button and get the topic to talk about. Step 2, set a timer on your phone for 1 minute, 2 minutes, whatever you feel comfortable with, and press start and start speaking. The idea is to keep talking for the whole time without stopping, without giving up, without starting again. We're not aiming for perfection. The idea is that you're just going to talk for that amount of time. Now, a pro tip I've got for you is to actually record yourself using the voice recording function on your phone, because that way you can listen back to it and you can see which areas you need to improve, and then you can try again talking about the same topic. And that's it. Simple. Set a timer, choose a topic, and talk about it. Great. And speaking of recording yourself, that brings us on to exercise number 3, recording an audio diary. This is basically where you take your phone, you open the voice recorder at the end of the day, just before you're about to go to bed, you press record and you talk to your phone for maybe 30 seconds, 1 minute, 2 minutes about what you did today. You press record. This morning I woke up at 6 o'clock and I took the bus to work and I had, I don't know, spaghetti for lunch, whatever. You just talk about your day. And this is a really great exercise to help you practice explaining what you did. A lot of the times when we talk to people, we talk about our past experiences and what we did last weekend. And this is a great way to practice, as well as helping you use any new words that you picked up. It's an easy way that you can try and use them in a real life setting. So if you want to try this one, it's really easy. Step 1, open the voice recording app on your phone. Press the record button. Step 2, talk about your day for maybe 1 to 2 minutes. And step 3, stop recording, listen back to it, and decide which things you want to improve next time. I used to do this one all the time in Japanese, and it really helped me understand where my weak points were, especially because I'd repeat the same expressions over and over again. And then I'd notice that, and I could find new ways to express that idea so I could boost my communication skills and my vocabulary at the same time. And don't forget, if you need a bit of extra support getting these kind of exercises up and running, you can get my Brit Speak Starter Kit for free using the link in the description. In there, there's a full guide about different ways that you can practice speaking on your own in full detail. So check it out, and I'm sure it'll help you start practicing speaking consistently. And now you know how to practice speaking in English, even if you're on your own. So head down to the comments and let me know which one of these exercises do you think you're going to try first. While you're at it, you might want to check out one of these videos on the screen. I'm sure they'll help you with your English. But that's it for this one, mate. Cheers for watching. I'll be back again with another one really soon. But until then, look after yourself. See you there.